In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the app icons on home screen for smaller or larger size on iPhone. Alright, so I'm starting here on my iPhone, and the first thing we're going to do is go to the home screen. Once you're on the home screen, press and hold anywhere on an empty area until your apps start to shake. When the apps begin shaking, that means your iPhone has entered edit mode, which lets you customize how your home screen looks. Now that the apps are moving, look at the top left corner of the screen and tap on Edit. This will open additional options that allow you to make changes to your home screen layout and appearance. After tapping Edit, choose Customize. This will open the customization panel where you can adjust different visual elements of your home screen. Now look toward the bottom of the screen and you'll see options related to the appearance of your app icons. Here you can switch between different icon sizes depending on what you prefer. If you want your app icons to appear larger on the home screen, tap on the large option. As soon as you select it, your app icons will increase in size, making them easier to see and tap. This can be especially helpful if you prefer bigger icons or want your home screen to look simpler with fewer icons visible at once. If you'd rather have more space and fit more icons on the screen, you can choose the small option instead. Tap on small and the app icons will shrink slightly, allowing more apps to appear on the screen at the same time. You can switch between large and small anytime to see which one you like better. The change will appear immediately, so you can preview how your home screen looks before leaving the customization menu. Once you're happy with the icon size you selected, you can simply exit edit mode and your home screen will keep the new icon size. And that's basically it. You just press and hold on the home screen, tap edit, choose customize, and then select large or small at the bottom to adjust the size of your app icon. So that's how you customize the app icon size on your iPhone home screen.